Guys, in this video I'll share how to make pizza. This recipe is Italian, but it is highly requested by Nigerians. Here are the ingredients you will need. These are my favorite toppings. Feel free to use any food item for your pizza toppings. First, we prepare the pizza dough. Sift the plain flour into a sizable bowl. Add the yeast and mix. Add the sugar and salt and mix very well. Then add the olive oil and mix. Start adding the warm water and mix at the same time till all the water has been absorbed. Then continue with your hand till a smooth, soft dough is achieved. Cover with a thin plastic film or a warm towel and place in a warm place to rise for 1 hour. Rub some margarine in your oven tray and sprinkle some flour on it, making sure the flour covers all the margarine. After 1 hour, you will notice that the pizza dough is puffy. Knead it for a bit and transfer to the oven tray. Start spreading the dough in a circular motion like this till it's about 12 inches in diameter. The dough may resist as you do this, but keep doing this till you can get the dough to spread as wide as possible. When happy, cover the dough and place in a warm place to rise again for 45 minutes. While waiting for the dough to rise, we slice the veggies for the topping. Then fry the minced meat in a small amount of vegetable oil. It is done when the beef turns pale. To prepare the tomato sauce for the pizza, get some tomato stew. This is just fresh tomato puree fried in vegetable oil. Add stock cube, onion powder and salt. You can also add basil and other dry herbs. After 45 minutes, the dough will be puffy again. Spread it out more and you will notice that this time the dough is more obedient. Rub some olive oil on the dough. Spread the tomato sauce. Then sprinkle the cheese on top. Put it in a preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or till the pizza crust is light brown and the cheese is liquefied by the heat. Bring the pizza out from the oven and place the rest of the toppings. I also love to sprinkle some cheese on top. Put it back in the oven for 2 minutes max, and that's it. If you want the recipe for that pizza with gooey cheese, click on the clip right now. Enjoy!